Hey beauties! Ever feel like your hands and feet need a little extra love? Today, I'm sharing a secret to getting that salon-perfect glow right at home with the Like Parlor Tan Removal Petty for feet and hand brightening. Ready to reveal your radiance? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about why this treatment is so special. Like Parlor's Tan Removal Petty isn't just any DIY kit. It's designed by professionals who know exactly what your skin needs. This means you're getting salon-quality results without stepping out of the house. Sounds amazing, right? Alright, let's start with the feet. We all know how our feet can suffer from daily wear and tear, not to mention the sun. Begin by soaking your feet in warm water mixed with Like Parlor's soothing soak solution. This preps your skin, softens those tough areas, and gets you ready for the magic to happen. Now, while our feet are soaking, let's turn our attention to the hands. Just like our feet, our hands are exposed to the elements and can get tanned and dull. Apply the Like Parlor Tan Removal Scrub generously and gently massage it in. Feel that? That's the scrub working its wonders, exfoliating dead skin and revealing a brighter layer underneath. Back to the feet. After a good soak, use the same tan removal scrub to massage your feet. Pay extra attention to the heels and any rough spots. You'll feel immediate freshness, a sign that the treatment is working. Next step, the mask. Like Parlor's Brightening Mask is packed with natural ingredients designed to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Apply it generously to both your hands and feet. This is where you can just sit back, relax, and let the mask do its magic. Maybe put on some calming music or read a book while you wait. After about 15 minutes, rinse off the mask. Feel that smoothness? Your skin should already feel softer and look visibly brighter. To seal in all that goodness, apply the Like Parlor Moisturizing Cream. This keeps your skin hydrated and maintains that fresh glow. And there you have it, lovelies. A simple, effective, and relaxing way to give your hands and feet the care they deserve, all from the comfort of your home. The Like Parlor Tan Removal Petty is more than just a treatment. It's a pampering experience that leaves you feeling refreshed and radiant. Remember, self-care is not just a luxury, it's essential. So, treat yourself, embrace the glow, and step out with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beauty tip. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.